Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to our second part of chapter 16 extra practice questions. So here we will discuss rest of the question. So construction questions like 11, 12 and 13 we already done in exercise that you have to draw yourself. So in your question number 9 you have to identify the angle. You have figure is given. In the figure you have given AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. These three lines are parallel to each other and you have to find the angles x degree, y degree. You have given angle 25 degree and 35 degree. These are the corner angles, like angle B and angle F is given to you. You have to find x degree and y degree. If you look at this, EB and CD are the two parallel lines and this OB is the transversal between AB and CD and OF is the transversal between CD and EF. Due to this transversal, we consider that x degree and 25 degrees are co-interior angles and sum of two co-interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. So from that we will find x value, that is 180 minus 25 is 155. Similarly, if OF is a transversal between CD and EF, then y degree plus 35 degree is equal to 180 degree. These are also co-interior angles. From that we will find y degree is equal to 180 degree minus 35 degree, that is equal to 145 degree. Now your next is, you have three parallel lines given AB, CD and EF and common transversal is PQ between that. So if you look at this y degree and 60 degree are corresponding angles. So due to corresponding angles, y degree is equal to 60 degree, and if you got the value of y degree as 60 degree, so this y degree and this x degree are alternate interior angles between the two parallel lines. So that means if y is 60, then x will also be 60 due to alternate interior angles. Now your question number 10. So in the given figure you have given two arms, two angles like that. Arms of the two angles, angle ABC and DEF are parallel. Two arms like that, these are the two arms given to you and these two angles are parallel to each other, lies on the two parallel lines. If these two angles are lies on the parallel lines, so first we will find this angle DGC, then we find DEF. If you go with this ABC, that is given to you 80 degree and this AB is parallel to DE. This AB is parallel to DE. If this AB is parallel to DE and this BG is considered as transversal of these two parallel lines, so we consider this angle 80 degree is equal to DGC because these are corresponding angles. Now here angle ABC is equal to angle DGC is equal to 80 degree, corresponding angle. Similarly DGC 80 degree also equal to DEF. So these are also corresponding angles because BC parallel to EF and DE is transversal on these two parallel lines. Due to this transversal, DGC and DEF are two corresponding angles. After finding DGC, same angle will be DEF due to corresponding angle concept. Now next is your 11th question. In this 11th question, you have to find the measure of angle X and angle Y in the given figure. So you have three figures is given to you. You have to find the measurement of angle X and angle Y. In this first part you have given PC is parallel to QD. These are two parallel lines PC and QD. These are parallel to each other and AE is the transversal on these two parallel lines. If you look at this, PBC is a straight line. If this is a straight line, so y degree plus 40 degree must be equal to 180 degree due to straight line concept. So from here we will find the y degree value. So that is 180 degree minus 40 degree is equal to 140 degree. Sorry, 180 minus 40 is equal to 140 degree. So that is the y degree value. So y degree value is when you subtract 40 from 180, that is a straight line concept, you will get 140 degree here, y degree value. But for x degree value, if you look at this, these are parallel lines, this is transversal, and 40 degree and x degree are two corresponding angles, placed at two corresponding angles. So that's why x degree value will be 40 degree, corresponding angles of two parallel lines. Next is your B figure. In this B figure, you have given in your question, this CD is parallel to EF, this CD line is parallel to EF, and this GH line is parallel to JI. Okay, so in this if you look at this, OB is transversal of these two parallel lines, and PO or AO, you can see this transversal of these two parallel lines, or in other words we can say that EB is the common transversal in two different types of parallel lines. Now you have to find the angle x degree and y degree. So first what we will do, so we have two options to find. Okay, first either I will go with this corresponding angles, or I can find this one, like this is a straight line. So if you go with the straight line, so this is 80 degree and 180 minus 80 give you 100 degree. Okay, from that, so total of that 30 degree in x degree will be 100 degree. But if you subtract 30 from that, so this portion will be left, 100 minus 30 is equal to 70 degree. Or you can go with two ways like this, 80 degree, you can go this angle with POE, that is also 80 degree, corresponding angles, and this go with the straight line concept, 80 degree, 30 degree and x degree, so that equal to 180 degree. So 80 degree plus 30 degree plus x degree is equal to 180 degree, and after subtracting 110 from 180 degree you will get 70 degree. इस क्वेश्चन को आप दो तरह से कर सकते हो, या तो यहीं से स्ट्रेट लाइन निकाल के ये एंगल फाइंड आउट कर लो 100, और ये पूरा का पूरा एंगल x डिग्री प्लस 30 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 100 आ जाएगा. तो 100 में से 30 माइनस करोगे तो जो आपका x डिग्री है वो 70 आ जाएगा. उसके बाद जैसे ही आपका x 70 आया, x डिग्री और y डिग्री इन दो पैरेलल लाइंस के HG और JI के को इंटीरियर एंगल्स हैं, और को इंटीरियर एंगल्स का प्लस कितना होता है 180 डिग्री. सो फ्रॉम दैट you will find the y degree value, that is 180 minus x degree is equal to 180 minus 70 is equal to 110 degree. You can go with the two ways. Okay, so there is a many option, many concept is there. You have to find the x degree, y degree value. Two concept I tell you, either you can make this as 100 and this will be corresponding angle to this, so this will be 100, you subtract 30 from 100, you will get the x value 70. Or you can go with this corresponding angle, this will be 80, 30 and x degree is equal to 180 degree, and 180 minus 110 give you 70 degree, again x is equal to 70 degree. Both ways you can find the x value as 70 degree, and x degree plus y degree are co-interior angles, and sum of co-interior angles is equal to 180 degree. From there you can find the y degree value, 180 minus 70 is 110. Next is your C part. In this, if you look at this, these are two parallel lines. This FG is parallel to AC. So I just construct to extend this one to make a properly show with the parallel line. So this is a parallel line, these are two parallel lines here, and EF is the transversal. Next line is EF. EF is parallel to AB. This line is parallel to AD. I extend from here that, and this FE, EF is the transversal between these two parallel lines. Okay, so from there, from this concept you have to find the x and y degree value. If you look at this, x degree is here, y degree is here. If you look at just these two parallel lines, अगर आप सिर्फ इन्हीं दोनों पैरेलल लाइंस को देखो, इस तरफ क्या है 40 डिग्री प्लस एक्स, और इस तरफ y डिग्री और ये वाला एंगल। तो अगर देखा जाए टू पैरेलल लाइंस के ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स इक्वल्स होते हैं, तो यहाँ पे मैं लिख सकती हूँ 40 डिग्री प्लस एक्स डिग्री इज इक्वल टू वाई डिग्री प्लस एंगल ए एफ जी। ओके, ए एफ जी। सो 40 डिग्री प्लस एक्स डिग्री इज इक्वल टू वाई डिग्री ए एफ जी, एंगल ए एफ जी consider as first equation. Okay, so if you look at this DFE, इस क्वेश्चन को भी हम टू वे से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। तो एक तो ये थी पैरेलल लाइन जिसमें ये पूरा का पूरा एंगल इसके इक्वल हो गया। अब जब तक मेरे पास ये वाली वैल्यू नहीं आती, एक्स की वैल्यू नहीं आती, वी कांट एबल टू फाइंड। ओके, सो फॉर फाइंडिंग दिस AFG, इफ यू लुक एट दिस, दीज आर ऑल्सो टू पैरेलल लाइन्स एंड FA इज ट्रांसवर्सल बिटवीन दैट। ओके, सो ये जो आपकी पैरेलल लाइंस है इसमें भी FA ट्रांसवर्सल है। ओके, और ये वाली पैरेलल दो ट्रांसवर्सल्स लाइन जा रही है, तो हमने इस वाली ट्रांसवर्सल को देखना है। अगर ये वाला एंगल 40 है तो ये वाला एंगल भी 40 आ गया। ओके, ये एंगल 40 है तो ये भी आपका 40 आ गया। तो जैसे ही आपका ये 40 आया, ये 40 आ गया। ओके, तो ये वाला देखो, ये वाली एक स्ट्रेट लाइन है, स्ट्रेट लाइन पे 60 प्लस वाई डिग्री और एंगल AFG इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री। तो अगर मैं 60 को उधर मैं सब्ट्रैक्ट करूँगी, 180 माइनस 60 इज इक्वल टू 120 डिग्री। दैट मीन्स ये जो टोटल एंगल है आपका, ये टोटल आपका बनता है 120 डिग्री। ओके, तो अगर ये आपका 40 आया तो 120 में से 40 माइनस कर दोगे तो ये आपका 80 आ जाएगा। ओके, इसी तरह से यहाँ भी अगर ये एंगल, तो मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट इक्वेशन कंसिडर की थी। तो जैसे y डिग्री प्लस एंगल AFG इज इक्वल टू 120 निकला, यहाँ पे रिप्लेस कर दिया फर्स्ट में इस पूरी टर्म की जगह पे, जहाँ पे x डिग्री की वैल्यू आ गई 80 डिग्री। अब AFG, क्योंकि यहाँ पे है FG और ये पैरेलल लाइंस है, ओके, और ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स हैं, तो ये 40 डिग्री और ये 40 डिग्री, तो आपका ये AFG भी 40 डिग्री आ गया। अब इसी इक्वेशन में, सेकेंड इक्वेशन में मैंने y जो AFG की वैल्यू 40 डिग्री अप्लाई की, y इज इक्वल टू 120 माइनस 40 इज इक्वल टू 80 डिग्री। दिस वे यू हैव टू फाइंड। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।